Store-bought roasted red peppers are pretty good, and they're definitely convenient. But homemade? That's where the real flavor is at. To keep it simple, we'll only need one ingredient. Yep, you guessed it, red bell peppers. If you have one large sheet pan, you can safely fit up to 4 bell peppers on it. You can also do less than this, or even more if you have 2 pans. While you can roast the entire pepper, I find that it's just as quick and ends up being way less messy in the end if you actually cut the pepper into pieces before cooking. To do this, you'll want to place a red bell pepper with the stem facing up on a cutting board. Place a sharp chef's knife just adjacent to the stem, and then slice from the top to the bottom to get a slab. You should end up with 4 pieces. Remove the white membranes on the inside by either using a knife or a spoon. Place the peppers skin side up on a large sheet pan that has been lined with parchment paper. It's important that they're skin side up since that's the part we want exposed to the most heat. The whole goal of roasting peppers is of course to cook the flesh, but also it's to blister that skin so it will easily peel right off. Line up the slabs of peppers in a single layer, being careful that none of them are overlapping. Add the peppers to a preheated 450-degree oven and roast for 25 to 30 minutes or until the skins begin to turn black and blister. Yes, this is a time that it's totally okay to burn your food, and it's actually encouraged. Once they're roasted, immediately use tongs to remove them from the pan and add them to a large bowl. Cover the bowl with either plastic wrap or a large plate. You want to trap the residual heat from the peppers to create steam. The steam will continue slowly cooking them and soften the peel even more. Wait 15 to 20 minutes or until the peppers are cool enough to touch. Peel and remove the skin from each piece of pepper. See how easy that was? Store the peppers in an airtight glass jar in the refrigerator for up to a week. Or use them up in your favorite recipes. This roasted red pepper hummus right over here is so good when you make it with homemade peppers. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.